So I intend to make yet another blacksmithing tong today. And I'll use my mini hardy hole swage block. Been getting good use out of this tool. I like it a lot. They've moved the equipment in and are fixing to rip up the road below me here, so it'll probably get pretty noisy a little bit later on. I love watching guys using excavators, and in such cramped spaces here, they've really got some amazing skill. The bed of that kind of truck is higher than my shoulder. And besides all the noise, I'm also occupied with other things.
All right, buddy. You just rest right there. You'll be good, all right? Stop pooping on my arm. I'll send you back to your parents. How's that sound? All right? All right. Good mama. Good bird.
You'll think I'm crazy, but that fledgling's parents gave me the warning sign that he was on the ground and in danger. I've been feeding those birds so long that I know the language of the white-crested bulbul. So I went downstairs and I quickly found that baby and brought him up. And that'll happen a few times every season. So as you can see, I'm making the jaws serrated, but I'd like the very front ends to be half rounds. And I think I kind of demonstrated this a little bit in my last video. Anyway, I'll take this one to completion. I need to give a shout out to Gert Janzabine for a recent Super Thanks donation. I also need to thank Devin Sheridan for adding extra money to an order that he recently purchased. The birds and I thank you. The excavator work has begun. Can you tell? I'm a little off with my serrations on this one, but I'll correct that later. This is my bonehead approved skull mark, and I've just got to make sure I have enough room to use it properly. Man, I keep burning my fingers, and then I finally notice I've got a big hole in this glove. Time to get a new pair. This brass brush has seen better days. I got a bunch of these mini swage blocks back from the machinist. He really does nice work. So this forging tong is 11 inches long, and that really is my preference. Although it's more like plier length for some, I just feel like for me especially, I just like shorter tongs. But if you wanted to purchase tongs from me and wanted them longer, I'm certainly open to that. I don't know how useful this will be, but it'll hold a few different sizes and shapes. At the time of me posting this video, I already sent this tong off to someone as a thank you gift. Hopefully that person finds this tong useful. I'm really happy to have you hanging around my channel, and I'll catch you guys next time.